building. Of course it's sustainable if it is about the energy use, because we have something to tell to our own customers too, what the latest technique is. But it's also sustainable in a way of how you look at a building. And now today Priva is in here. But you are standing in a street, and on this street there are 11 units, and each unit there is completely by itself controlled for climate, has their own access control. So could be rented like a little unit for a company from outside. There's also been looked at this building as a place where people come in. So the installation concept is so far thought through that we also can change this to a community for elderly people and make it elderly people home, and you place your pool in the street. So we needed to look for the utmost situation to get it as transparent as possible, but without having needed an air conditioning. And that's why we use the semi-transparent glass in the building itself. After 2007, people are coming over to see this building, to be inspired by a new way of how you look at buildings, but also to learn about the new technology, what was possible. For the horticulture, we have the labor administration card. It's this is the nutrient dosing. That's the Violux that is for disinfecting the water.
It's one of the big new developments, getting insight into your greenhouse. Greenhouse are used to, well, what I see is what I get, and that's it. But if you were asked, what did that kilo of tomatoes just leaving the premises, what did that cost? You wouldn't be able to answer. Here, they weren't. In the rest of the area, nowhere to do. And I would just say that in the US they're now starting to move into that direction. You guys do want to know how did they before? What did this kilo of tomatoes actually cost them?